Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Free State Social Work. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. So first thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. In that search bar, let's type in Free State Social Work Login and hit enter. Now, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one that right here that says account login. Let's tap into that. And here you go. Now you'll be greeted with the login page. You can see two empty fields. In that, you have to type in your credentials. In the first one, it says username or email address. So let's tap in our email right here. And at the second field, let's type in our password associated with the account. And you may notice a square box that says remember me. So if you want a site to remember your information, you can simply tap in that square box, or you don't want, then you can just leave it like that. Let's leave it like that. And I'm hoping you have an account on Free State Social Work, but if you don't have an account and if you want to create a new one, you can tap in this option that says register. And if you have forgotten a password or lost your password, anything like that, you don't need to worry at all. Since there's an option that is lost your password, you can simply tap into that and it will help you through that. So that's it. Now we have come to a final step. For that, you have to simply tap into the red button that is login. Let's tap into that and you'll be logged in to your Free State Social Work. So logging into Free State Social Work is as simple as that. But still, if you have any queries, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. And if you want more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics and like and share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.